change of scenery. I made it to New York City. I had to be here for a modeling job, and obviously like travel and like through the whole pandemic and stuff, it has been all like way difficult, and we had to like quarantine for the last couple of days. So today we're gonna go outside and kind of enjoy New York City. I haven't been back in a year, and I'm gonna be honest, it felt so weird like driving into the city, because like I've lived here for 6 years. I just like really didn't miss it, and then like when I drove into the city I was like, oh my god, like I recognize things again, and it was just like kind of a weird nostalgic feeling. And I've also heard like such mixed stories about New York, like how, you know, because obviously the pandemic was really bad here, like everything about New York, what makes it fun, like going out and stuff, is kind of closed. So I'm just like really curious to kind of see what New York is like really like right now. Yeah. We're staying at a friend's place here who's not in town, and it's like it's like the cutest little apartment. Like look at all these plants, I'm like obsessed. But it's so tiny, like our suitcases take up everything in here. But yeah, I'm here with Jessie. Where's Jessie? Hi. Hi. We decided to go for a little walk and kind of go to the neighborhood, walk through Soho. It's not focusing. Maybe there's a little breakfasty thing, like a light, something yummy, and like, you know what you do in New York, just walk around. We got our COVID test done, which were negative, so let's head out. How to look cute in the winter? You cannot. Mask on. Where should we go for coffee? I don't know. I'm down for anything. We're looking for coffee.
Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks.
Oh no.
There's La Colombe.
We can go there.
Go there. We haven't been there yet.
That one is on Lafayette, right?
Yeah. Wait, how do we get there?
No, other side. We can't follow Jessie for directions. Yeah, there is one close. Wow. This is the one we were looking for. So apparently, guys, it is going to snow today. It's not that cold today.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad at all. People might call us crazy, but for some reason we just love our cold drink in the freezing winter.
So good.
Starts to snow. It's starting. We're here with iced coffee. What am I doing?
You can't really see the snow yet, but it's coming.
We're looking for some banana bread. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Yummy. Let's go eat it home, or? There we go. And we got some delicious banana bread. So we maybe wanted to stop by Broadway and go to another stores. Not do shopping, but just take a look.
Just take a look.
Just take a look, and then we are gonna go to Village Den, the restaurant here, to kind of see if we can maybe do a fun collaboration in the future. Now a restaurant pop-up is obviously not really possible, but maybe when spring and like things open up again, it is. So we'll see. Yummy. Yummy.
Let's try this. Number and word.
8. Pumpkin spice. Or 7.
I would say. Yeah.
It's more because like I make banana bread so often, and it's so good. This is different. It's more like a pumpkin spice loaf.
Yeah. I'm still trying to figure out my word.
One word.
There's something on the outside of it that like sticks to your mouth. Do you taste that?
Very chewy.
Yeah.
Or not chewy, like sticky. It's still no one word.
No, I don't have a word.
No words.
No words.
No word for this.
Sanne, are you stuck in the bathroom again? Wait. I'm going left. No, I let go. Wait, you let go. Ugh. Oh my god. It's because my jacket got stuck in the door.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I think it's... Oh my god, wait. It might be locked now.
Oh my god, he's gone Noah.
No, help us! I don't even know what to... It's like the sleeve got caught. It's moving. Oh my god. Oh! Oh!
Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god, I literally was like...
leave the door a little open.
Oh my god. But like, I didn't even lock it. Okay, this was really scary. So typical. Just imagine we had to call up Noah. Hey Noah, can the landlord come to like open up the door, Sanne is locked in the bathroom. And I would be there like no air.
I can't open the door.
Oh, at least I could take a hot shower, that was it. Okay, we are in a little restaurant, the Village Den in West Village, and we actually are here for like a business meeting, which is going to be really exciting because we are talking about like collaboration, and you guys have seen I've done more like a pop-up restaurant, and I had so much fun doing that, and to maybe do something like creating like a healthy menu. Everything here is like gluten-free, soy-free, and like no refined sugars, and like totally my vibe. And we're also seeing if we can do something with necromama here, so cross fingers. I have my little bone broth, and yeah, we're gonna head out. Good morning guys, I am walking outside. Today it is not snowing, which is really great. It's about 8 AM and I'm on the way to a shoot. So the reason why I was here in New York, I had to work, meet some like clients, and they call this a test shoot. It's normally, you know, when you're like, whoop, oh my god, there's a tree in my face. Normally when you just start modeling, you do test shoots to build up your book, but it's always nice to sometimes work with new photographers and always get like some new fresh pictures, because it's always more content. So it will be excited, because this is kind of like just a little bit more of a free project. We can all be like very creative and stuff, and this is also what I like the most about my job. So yeah, we're on the way. Happy Tuesday! I just came back from my shoot. We did like a lot of video, and it was kind of like all this like wet look and this very sleek look, and I have like oil all over my body, and it was like really cool. Can't wait to see that. We stopped by Bite, little spot in New York. I was craving something warm, so I ordered vegetable split pea. I don't know if this looks very good. And I got like a turkey. This is a pita? No. This is, what is it? Sandwich. This is like a turkey sandwich. Yummy. Shopping. Oh my god. I'm trying so much stuff on. I really love this set. It's so cute. Day 3 on the way to dumplings. Jessie, you look like a little dumpling in my coat. Found it on the other side of the street. Run! Closed. And they have no outdoor seating. We need to make them at home. Yeah. You have to teach me. I will. Oh man. And we are back in LA. New York City was such a short, but it was a very nice trip. It was like really nice to be back, but honestly I couldn't wait to get back to LA as well. And I think it's also a good sign that I really enjoy my home and I really enjoy LA. I wish I could have vlogged a little bit more in New York, but it was honestly so cold. When we were walking outside, we were just like freezing and like I just couldn't even put my camera out without like gloves. But yeah, we were craving like dumplings really bad, so Jessie and I decided today to be making dumplings and we wanted to share the recipe with you. I've never made them. Jessie's going to share her recipe, which I'm very excited about, and it's also a little bit of celebration of today because it is Lunar New Year, so I just want to say Happy New Year. I got a little bit in like a festive look. This actually got a lot of questions on Instagram what color this was. This is the color Roomba from a clean beauty brand, Ilia. And I'll show you guys. It's like a really nice darker red intense color. Anyway, let's start cooking. I'm excited. We're going to be making veggie dumplings and chicken dumplings, and hopefully they're going to turn out really well. We're making vegetarian and chicken dumplings today. We're going to start prepping all the veggies. Jessie's cutting up some chives and I cut the green onions and cilantro in smaller pieces. Soak some dried mushrooms, drain them and cut them in small pieces as well. Add 4 eggs to a bowl and mix them together until they're a little fluffy. Grab a pan and scramble the eggs slowly until cooked. Grab a big bowl with mushrooms, add the chives, shredded carrots and the scrambled eggs. So colorful.
That's when my mom's like, here's the carrot.
Yeah.
So it's prettier. I was like, okay. I hate grating carrots.
Add salt, pepper and mix everything together with your hands. To create a delicious flavor, I add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of mirin and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and mix everything again. Put it aside or store it in the fridge. We're cleaning up our kitchen quickly so we can start prepping the chicken filling. Grab a big bowl with ground chicken. Add the green onions, cilantro, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, salt, 1 egg, soy sauce, mirin, sesame oil, and mix everything together. Okay, so now it's going to be the fun part. Jess is going to teach me actually how to make a dumpling because this is a whole art. Grab a big plate and add some flour on this. I bought some pre-made dumpling wrappers at the Asian supermarket. Add a small spoon of filling onto the dough and wet the edges with some water. Now the fun part is going to start. While you're folding the dough, you fold the edges slowly on top of each other for a nice fan effect. I definitely had to practice this a little, but the more you make it, the easier it is.
It does get to you.
Place the dumplings on the plate with flour so they don't get sticky. Place them in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Makes it easier to cook them after. Okay, so we prepped our dumplings and we actually put them in the freezer for a little bit. It just makes it easier to make them. And I have my little bamboo steamer. Look at all these beautiful dumplings, they're amazing. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys 2 ways to prepare them. First one is steaming. I love using my little bamboo steamer basket for this. I start to smell the dumplings already and it is delicious. We're going to let it steam for about 15 minutes. Maybe the chicken 20 minutes. The second way is to pan fry them. Add some oil to a pan on medium heat. Add the dumplings and a little water. Put the lid on it and steam them for a bit. These will have a little bit more of a crunchy texture, so it really whatever you prefer. And the veggie and chicken dumplings are ready. I will also link all the ingredients and this recipe down below in the description, so you can try to make them at home. Steamed dumplings, some pan-fried dumplings, and Jessie made like a little soy sauce dipping. But this looks incredible. Boys, food's ready. Lunchtime. Do New Year's things. Last one to sit down.
You're welcome. Mama Pro's recipe?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yummy.
So I am ready for, ooh, everything falls down. I'm ready for bed. We had a nice afternoon. We were super full after the dumplings, and we stored actually a lot in the freezer, so for next time, maybe this weekend, we just like steam them or like pan fry them and we have like a quick lunch. But I'm going to do a little skincare routine because my skin is so freaking dry after New York, even though it's been a couple days. I'm going to use these face mist from Dr. Barbara Sturm. Oh, and I actually wanted to share another product with you guys. I used it right before I took a shower. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so this is the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy. So basically when you're wearing makeup, you just grab a little bit of the balm. It looks like this, with like a scoop. Put the balm on your face, rub it very gently, and you literally wash off your makeup, which is very, very easy. I'm just obsessed with this product. So I want to put some serum. Here we go. Again, this Dr. Barbara Sturm. I'm going to add some on here. This will give the skin like nice hydration. And then on top, I'm going to use the Easy Calming for my like red cheeks. Kind of like irritation of like wearing a mask in flight. Makes my skin super soft and shiny. And then on top I'm also going to use this Sonia Dakar Fade Away, mostly here because I have some like pigmentation discoloration, and this is like a lightening treatment. I just started this, but I already see a little bit of a difference, so I'm going to add it here. The weird thing is it's not from the sun, because I have barely been in the sun and it's been here for a while, but there we go. Little skincare routine is ready. I will do in another separate video like a whole full thing, but this is just a quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's little vlog and like recipe, and let me know in the comments down below if you guys kind of like this format of like doing a little vlog and every time foodie vlog with a recipe. I would love to hear your opinions. Don't forget to subscribe, put the notifications on, and I will see you guys very soon.